As the pulse of global industry continues to beat and urban water supply networks expand, a kind of trust is crossing mountains and seas to connect the world. WESDUN Group, a global solutions provider specializing in valves, water meters and flow meters. WESDUN Group let fluid control reach every corner of the world. From high temperature, high pressure industrial pipelines to precisely controlled fluid systems, WESDUN valves use international standard sealing technology and corrosion-resistant alloy materials to achieve zero leakage operation. Materials to achieve zero leakage operation. Our product range includes gate valves, ball valves, and butterfly valves suitable for multiple fields such as petroleum, chemical industry, and energy. We have passed ISO 9001, ISO 4005, ISO 14001, CE, and API international certifications. Each product undergoes a 72-hour high-pressure test, building a solid production safety line for global customers. In the wave of smart water management, our smart water meters, equipped with MV-LOT, GPRS, LORA, LoRa1, wireless transmission technologies, remote meter reading, and abnormality alerts. Our industrial-grade flow meters, with 0.2% accuracy, precisely capture liquid and gas flow data, helping customers optimize energy consumption and reduce costs. From residential water supply to industrial metering, we empower every decision with data. As a manufacturing company with over 15 years of experience in valves and water flow meters, we boast the over 30-member after-sales service team, the over 60 project engineering team, 5 domestic factories, and over 20 quality inspection procedures. We provide a one-stop foreign trade service, from product selection and customized development to customs clearance and after-sales maintenance. Our products are currently exported to nearly 100 countries and regions across Asia, Europe, America, Australia, and Africa. We have established long-term partnerships with over 200 overseas clients and have completed over 1,000 projects with a 98% on-time delivery rate and an 85% customer repurchase rate. We have earned international recognition. WESDUN Group consistently adheres to the values of customer first, striving as the foundation, growth and innovation, integrity and practicality, to provide cost-effective solutions to global customers. Now contact us to embark on a new journey of cross-border cooperation.